We just got gifted this WORKPRO 6,000 square foot commercial dehumidifier, and this thing is going to be a lifesaver here in our shop. We are located in Florida and it gets super humid. All the tools are starting to rust out here in the shop. And this unit is designed for crawl spaces, garages, large workshops, whatever you need to get moisture out of your air. And I'll tell you what, this thing is a monster. First impression on this thing, it is very heavy, seems very well built. Great features like these rubber grab handles here to carry it. And you're going to need them because this thing has got some weight to it. Nice LED display here on the front, and they give you all the equipment you need to hook it up. So they give you a drain hose, they give you an exhaust port if you do want to put it into a ducted system, down to the Teflon tape to put your hose on. So they really come with a lot of things here to hook this up. So let's get this hooked up and drop the moisture here in the shop. All right, so they give you these adjustable feet here as well, and there's a lot of thread on them. So if you're on uneven ground, you need some more airflow underneath the unit, you got lots of play, but nice non-marring surface here. So that is a very nice feature. So if you do want to duct the exhaust air outside or into a duct system, they have this adapter right here. You could screw it on. They give you all the screws. We're going to screw this on. I don't think we'll end up using it because this is unfinished space, but again, if you're in finished space and you want to duct moist air out, this is a good way to do it. Also here you have your drain port, and they actually give you a very large hose because this is actually for 145 pints a day. So that is a lot of moisture you're going to expel from the air. So we're going to be installing our drain line and hose, and we're just going to drain this outside through a window. You can drain it through a floor drain or any type of sink drain or whatever you have available. So that is a nice feature. They even give you the wrench. So they do give you a generous length of hose here. I'd probably guess about 10 feet or so. And this should get you far enough to a drain line. If not, I'm sure you can buy aftermarket hoses to go further. All right, on the back of the unit here is where you're going to clean your filter. And that just pops out like this. And from there, you can slide this up. And you can either replace this or clean it, but it is cleanable. So get back in. And here you got all your coils, so occasionally you probably want to clean those out as well. So nice serviceability, very easy to come apart. Pops back together just like that, no tools required. They even give you a nice little bevel level here with a magnet, make sure you're in a level spot. All right, so we got the unit fired up here. It's got a really nice LED display here, so you can really see it, especially in a crawl space or somewhere dark. It's going to give you a nice readout. Has your power button to turn it on and off. It has a lock screen so nobody can tamper with it. It has a timer feature as well, so you can time it. It has your up and down adjustment for your fan. You can do auto or manually set your fan. We're going to keep it low here for the video. You can set Celsius or Fahrenheit. So we're in America, so we're going to use Fahrenheit. You can set your humidity level. All right, so you can set the desired humidity that you want in your space right here. And once that stops flashing, it's going to give you the actual humidity right now in the room. So we're at 78% right now, which is very high. I'd like to get that down to about 50, 60 in here at the highest. So we're going to let this thing do its work. It's showing us nice temperature gauge. But all in all, I'm going to come back in a little bit and make sure it's working. All right, so in less than 10 minutes, this dehumidifier has dropped this room from 78% relative humidity down to 59 and counting. So this is a very efficient unit. Again, 145 pints a day. So this is going to move a lot of water out of your space. It's got auto defrost, manual draining, cleanable filter. It's got a lot of features, very heavy duty. This will do up to 6,000 square feet, whether you're in a basement, workshop, garage, whatever space you need to get moisture out of. This thing's awesome, and it's really not that loud, so this could be in a living space and be just fine. So I am very impressed with this WORKPRO dehumidifier, and if you guys need one, check it out.